In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download CapCut on PC or laptop. So first you need to going on this search bar, then here are type store. That's mean I want to download from Microsoft Store. You can see it's CapCut. So I need to just click on install. Okay, it's getting ready, prepare to download. So you need to few second or minute for download the whole things. Okay, once you've done it, you need to click on open. Again, if you have a graphics card on your PC, you can skip this one. If you don't have, you are also able to use this one on your PC. Okay. Now you are able to use this CapCut on PC or laptop. Now you need to click on create project. That's it. Okay, this should be full screen on my PC. So if you have found this video helpful for me, make sure like and subscribe the channel. So you can take care. Goodbye.